let's see some amazing hacks, tips and tricks on smartphone and PC. The number one on my list is to boost your phone graphic power. Gamers will love this indeed. This option is in phone developer options. If it's not yet activated in your phone, then press 7 times on build number option to unlock that option. And you will have as many options as this. Now search for Force 4X MSA. Just check on that option to enjoy your high graphic demanding games. I hope it will work for you. If not, just let me know in the comments section below. I can help. How to increase the number of web pages on your bookmark in your web browser. The bookmark is where you save your favorite websites. Do you remember? Okay, let me show you now. As you can see, this is just showing 11 websites, and all the others are hidden here. So to display more than just 11 websites, have you noticed that WhatsApp has both the logo followed by the name? And so goes with YouTube, the logo and the name. Facebook, the logo and the name. Which is not really necessary, especially for these well-known websites. So what we're gonna do now is to remove the name and keep the logo. To do that, you just need to click right on the concerned website, and then in the options here, click on Edit. Then delete the name and save. Do the same with the following on the list. Then the next. And the next. At the end, we now have more than just 11 favorite website displaying. Share this video with a friend, then they also know how to make their bookmark cleaner like you. Also subscribe to this channel. Otherwise this trick won't work on your computer.
Kidding me?
You're kidding me! You gotta be kidding me!
Are you kidding me?
That was a nice joke. But subscribe for real. And hit that ring bell so that you get notified when we drop a new video like this one on this HowToDo Technology channel. Now let's move on. Samsung or other Android phone uniqueness. Knowing you have Samsung phone is fine but not enough, you know. When you buy a new Samsung Galaxy Note 8 Plus for instance. Remember that there are many other Samsung Galaxy Note 8 Plus out there, with the same color like yours as well. But I am about to reveal you that your piece is unique. I know you know that, right? But what I also know, is that you can't prove the uniqueness of your device. And this is why watching HowToDo Technology channel will always be profitable for you. So go ahead and like this video. Then open your D-Link keypad and enter the following code. *1234#. This code will reveal your Samsung unique model number. Write it down somewhere. Just in case. This code works only for all Samsung genuine product. Now, not only that you know, but you can also prove the uniqueness of your device. And for other Android phone like OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo, and Realme. *6776#. This code will display your mobile unique manufacturing number. Now that you know your device's unique number, but still don't know if your device an original piece or not. Oh my god. Don't you know for real? If you know then let me know in the comments section. Otherwise let me show you. But at least drop a nice sentence in the comment for me. Well, to check if your device is an original product or not, just open your keypad and then enter this code. *0*#. This code will help you to check your screen touch, sound, color, sensor and many more. It won't even work if your phone is Chinese. Oh sorry. It looks like I have forgotten the word. I suggest we move on. This was for Samsung users only. But I didn't forget you my guy. Again OnePlus, Oppo, Vivo, and Realme. You're gonna enter this code to check the genuineness of your device. *899#. This will allow you to check your device's screen touch, color, sound, etc. I will display more code at the end of this video, and you can find all of them in the description of this video as well. Let's move on. Best and simple way to share a web page link, an online document, a phone number, in a presentation on a social media, and any other circumstances. Don't share it like you used to do 20 years back. Oh I forgot that some of us don't even have an idea on how life was in the year they were born. You wanna know? Alright. Just click the link showing on the up right corner. You will know how to check everything that happened, and how life was in your birth year. Okay, back to our topic. The convenient way to share a web page link or phone number is by using a QR code. Right-click on the web page you want to share, then select Create QR Code for this page. You will get the QR code like this. All you need to do now is to press the download button here. The QR code picture is now ready. Open to see how it looks like. Just pause this video, try to scan this QR code with your phone camera to see if it works. In my case, yes, it opens the comment for Technology channel. So if this channel has successfully opened on your device, then please subscribe on our French channel as well, just to support us. I hope you did so. Thank you for being kind to us. Now you can go ahead and create your own QR code. To create your mobile number's QR code, or even your business card QR code, check the link that's displayed on the upper right corner of this video right now. That's a tutorial, explaining more about how you can make any kind of QR code with more customization. As you can see, this one is very basic. Screenshot hack. How do you take a 10 minutes conversation screenshot? This works for any display with scrolling content, like WhatsApp conversation, Facebook page, YouTube, contact list, so on and so forth. So to begin, make sure you display the part of the screen you want to appear on the top of the screenshot. Then take the screenshot as usual, by pressing the volume up button in combination with the power button. Then, keep pressing the arrow down button right here to keep screenshotting the conversation. Keep in mind that the screenshot works up down wise. No any other way around. You can try with Facebook or YouTube as well, just like me. So when you open it from your gallery, it will appear as a whole image, thus, it will look this small. So you can zoom it in up to your actual screen size. Don't worry, it will keep that clear and neat resolution, just like that. Gmail tip. Did you know that you can send a mail in a confidential mode? You can send a mail to someone, using their relative's mail ID, but still be able to deliver the message to the concerned person only. I am not really sure in which circumstance you would do that, but this can happen for many reasons. Let me show you how to send that confidential mail. When you open your mailbox, press on Compose button. Then find this confidential mode button right here. By pressing on it, you will have to set the expiration date and the passcode. Up here, it is set that the recipients will have the option to forward, copy, print, or download this email. That's because this is a confidential mail, of course. You can press the Learn More link to read more about the confidential mode. Once all is set here, you can now type your message. When you press the sending button, you will see this pop up, asking you to type the phone number of the person who is supposed to receive the OTP or passcode. Then your message will be sent. I have received the mail, but I am not able to read the content until I type the OTP. All I have to do is to check my box. There we go. Once I type the OTP, I can now read the message. I believe that this can help some in one way or another. If you share this video with people you love, you didn't just share a video, but a knowledge. But also like and subscribe. I hope you learned something. Did you? Yes is the only answer, of course. If yes, then hit that ring bell to receive notification of the next knowledge we will upload soon on this channel. Tell us in the comments section, how much score out of 10 would you recommend this video? We would like to hear from you. That coming final music is for you. Take care.